I'm sorry to notify people about this, but it's all over YouTube. You hear it, you see it all the time. And the message is imagine that you are wealthy, and that's how you become wealthy, by imagining it. Thinking that you're wealthy and you're not, and believing then that you're wealthy, isn't that insanity? That's what insanity is all about. Believing and acting on something that doesn't exist. It's like believing you drive a Rolls Royce, a new one, like this one right here. You say, I own a Rolls Royce, that's what I drive. Yet you're driving a 10-year-old beater with dented fenders. That's the sign of insanity. I tried that in my 30s. I read that in books. It's before YouTube. Imagine that you're wealthy and you will become wealthy. It never happened. In fact, it became a sign of insanity, and I had to stop it. So, thinking that you can imagine your way to wealth is the road to insanity.